Alright, hey everyone, I wanted to make a screencast so you know what you're doing and you feel comfortable in class today without me. So what you'll do to get started in the Scratch Animate a Name, you'll go to Google Classroom. The very first link I added in the stream is the login. It'll take you to Scratch home screen. So you click on it and hopefully you remember, when you click sign in, it will have your username and your password saved. If it does not, your username should be your first and last initials capitalized, followed by your school lunch number. And your password was supposed to be your lunch number, not your lunch number. Your password was supposed to be the same password you used to log into the computer. Okay? So once you're there, you sign in. To find your project from yesterday, you'll click on the little folder that says My Stuff. And you probably will only have one unshared project. You click on Unshared Projects and they will pop up and you just click on it and you can get started, okay? Okay, so there's something to help you in Google Classroom as well. If we go back here, the second thing in the second thing in Google Classroom says CS First, Animate a Name, Helpful Videos. So when you click on that link, it's going to take you to this website. This is so helpful. You don't have to watch the intro video. You can if you want. You scroll down and it will show you how to do different types of code. So let's say I want to learn how to make my sprite look like it's doing a little dance. So if I click on this, it will bring me a video.
This video, you will make one of it.
You can see it's like almost 4 minutes long. So we can watch the whole thing. That's fine. You can also cheat. If you scroll all the way to the end, you'll get the finished code. So then you can go into Scratch and just toggle back and forth and copy this code into your program for one of your letters. Okay? I might as well tell you too, if we click inside, once this loads here, just a reminder, your sprites are all down here. To delete one, you can click the trash can. To add one, you click choose a sprite, and you select whichever one you want. And then if I want to code the symbol, I have to make sure I click on the symbol, and then I can go over here, add an event, and all that stuff. I think that's all I wanted to tell you. Make sure you click Save Now from time to time. It should automatically save it for you. But yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say. So good luck. And remember, this is due the end of class on Monday. So when I come back Monday, we'll be able to talk about it. Okay, have a nice weekend. Good luck, everybody.